If you want to hard reset your Philips Google TV to factory default and restore all its settings just like it was right out of the box, then first you can open the quick panel. From there, go to all settings. Now go down, open system, and then select about. Here you can see the reset option. You'll need to press OK and then select factory reset. And as you can see here, this will delete everything that's on your TV and you'll need to set it back up right from the beginning. So if you want to proceed, select factory reset and then confirm it by selecting erase everything. And you should leave your TV alone and don't power it off. This will only take about a few seconds and your Philips Smart TV will restart. Now you can begin resetting up your Philips Google TV, and in case you want to give it away, then you can leave it as is. So that's how you can hard reset your Philips Google TV to factory default.